Alright, so right here I have the new iPhone 17e. As you can see, this one is in pink, but in the video it looks like white, which I can't do much because of the camera lighting, but it is in pink. And right here I have my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So in this video I'll be doing a speed test between these two iPhones. So before I start it off first, I will talk about the specs. This one have A19 chip, pretty much the same thing as regular iPhone 17. This thing have 8 gigs of RAM, whereas this phone, it have an A19 Pro chip with 12 gigs of RAM. Also, this one have a vapor chamber cooling. The first thing I will be doing for this test is the boot up test. So I'll press the power button in 3, 2, and 1. So the 17E started out first. As you can see, the 17E boot up first, and then the 17 Pro Max. In the phone right now, and as you can see, there isn't any app that's open. So the first app that I'll be opening is settings. So 3, 2, and 1. Both looks the same. Let's go general and about. 3, 2, and 1. Both looks the same to me. And as you can see, both are running iOS 26.4 developer beta 4. So this is the build number. I'll be testing these common apps. I know GTA Vice City isn't that common, but you know what? This is one of the high demanding game that I could think of pretty much. By the way, this GTA Vice City is the definitive version. I'll start off the phone app. 3, 2, and 1. Both looks the same. And then let's go to Safari. 3, 2, and 1. Looks the same. I have the same Wi-Fi that's connected, so let's go to Google. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, the 17E is slightly faster. Next up, I'll go to Instagram. 3, 2, and 1. 17E. Let's go to Discord. 3, 2, and 1. Looks the same. By the way, if you have Discord, feel free to join my Discord server. Link will be in the description below. Let's go to YouTube. 3, 2, and 1. It's the same. Let's go to Reddit. 3, 2, and 1. 17E. Let's go to Spotify. 3, 2, and 1. 17E. So that's all I would do for the most commonly used apps. So let's go to gaming. I have Minecraft right here. 3, 2, and 1. By the way, I never play Minecraft nor GTA on these two devices, so it will be fresh. And let's hit play. Let's create a new world. As you can see, I never do anything at all between these two devices. So create a new world. And I have everything on default, so let's just tap create. 3, 2, and 1. Oh wait, 3, 2, and 1. Wait, no, bro. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. There we go, it's doing its thing right now. And as you can see, the 17 Pro Max is way faster than the 16E. I mean 17E. But of course, the 17 Pro Max have a better chip than the 17E. Why am I under the water? Or am I? Oh wait, I'm in different world. Anyway, let's go to GTA Vice City. 3, 2, and 1. Skip the intro. Skip sign in. Accept, because I never touched the game yet on these two devices, as you can see. So 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1.
Shit. Keep your head down. Help people forget. People will remember soon enough.
It seems that these two have the same performance so far.
I poke my head out of the gutter for one freaky second and they shovel shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do? I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
Let me just do a gameplay. So this is how it looks. I never played this version before, so it's kind of not like a normal thing to me, as I'm so used to the original version. So anyway, this is how it looks. I'm driving this Mercedes right now. Looks completely different than I remember though, and you can see because I'm playing on a not the normal way, the controls on this side, and yeah, you can see the notch sorta ruins everything. Let's switch to this phone on the other hand. Again, it's on the not the normal way, because you know usually you're supposed to be holding like this. Anyway, let's go with this. So between these two, of course this would be better as this phone have 120 Hz, whereas this one only have 60 Hz. Although you won't be able to see it because this video is recording in 30 frames. So yeah, I can see there's like a bit of difference, obviously the frame rate, but other than that the graphics seems to be the same. So I'm done with GTA Vice City, and last but not least, this is annoying though, this pop-up thing, I'll do Subway Surfer 3. Before I do that, make sure the volume is up. So 3, 2, and 1. Seems to be the same. I'll lower down and let's hit play. Obviously it won't be the same. Well, kinda I guess. I'll just give up. Wait, maybe I can click continue playing on this. Maybe. Just for a bit. Give up, because I'm not gonna play a game forever though. But yeah, this is the speed test between these two iPhones. What do you guys think about it? Let me know down in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos right here. And yeah, bye.